walk you through this custom audiometric testing van. Let's take a look. So the interior of this vehicle is divided into three parts. We've got the work area up front, we've got the sound booth in the middle, and then in the rear of the vehicle there is a utilities room. Now walking into the office area, you can see we've got Durabed bedliner floor sprayed throughout. This is highly durable and easily cleanable by simply hosing out the vehicle. You can also see that we have custom cabinetry throughout to house the vehicle's various electrical components, and that includes the onboard generator. So the electrical components in this vehicle can be powered either by this onboard generator or by shore power via a 30 amp shore power inlet on the exterior of the vehicle. This generator is easy to use. It starts with a simple push of a button. And it ensures quiet operation, which is paramount in a van like this, which is going to be used for audiometric testing. Here you can also see we have a control panel for all the circuits, for all the electrical components that have been run inside the vehicle, both 12 volt and 120 volt. And then we've also got a roof mount air conditioner, which has controls located conveniently by all the other electrical equipment. And I mentioned air conditioning, and this vehicle actually comes equipped with two different air conditioning systems. We've got the factory Ford auxiliary air conditioner box that allows the entire van to be heated and cooled while the van is running. And then for the times when the van is not running, we have located right above here a roof-mounted air conditioning unit that runs off of the generator. Now moving into the center portion of the van, we have the 4-person audiometric testing booth. And you can see that the entire interior of this booth has been lined with 3 inches of sound attenuating mineral wool insulation, and it's been lined with perforated steel mesh, and this will ensure a quiet testing environment. We've also installed a sound attenuating floor. This is high density rubber, and it'll also help to absorb sound. We've got privacy dividers installed to separate people from side to side, and then there's also a privacy curtain that runs the length of the booth in order to ensure privacy back to back between people testing. You can also see that we have this removable anodized aluminum raceway, and this allows the audiometrist to install equipment that's going to eventually be at this work area through this window, and that equipment is all going to be run to each of these testing stations inside the booth. Of the van, we have the utility room, and this room houses a microwave, a monitor that's been installed so that the audiometrist can show promotional material to people waiting outside of the vehicle while they're in line. And then in the bottom left corner here, you can see a box that we've installed that allows airflow, and this actually houses the factory Ford auxiliary heating and cooling unit. Alright, thank you for joining me on this tour of another custom project. I hope you've been inspired for your own custom project. Check us out at TriVan.com or give us a call to learn more.